Did you know Ishow Speed once challenged the world's fastest woman, and she shut him down with just one line? Sha'Carri Richardson, the 100-meter world champion who ran 10.65 seconds, that's 33.8 kilometers per hour, simply told Speed, "I don't race."
Jesus Christ!
After every win, Chris Ronaldo goes to the altar to celebrate with the team, and I'm going to be joining him. Let's go!
A walking storm who lives for the game. This wasn't stream versus sprint, it was chaos versus control. Who wins in your book? Smash like and don't forget to subscribe.